Want to use WhatsApp on your Apple Watch? By using this, you can check messages, reply quickly, and stay connected right from your wrist. In this video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on the search icon. Search WhatsApp for Watch. Install the first one. Now go to the Watch app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the app is installed. If it's not installed, then tap Install. After that, a QR code scanner will be shown. Here it is. Now grab your iPhone. Open the WhatsApp app. Now select Settings from the below. Then tap Link Device option. Tap Link Device. Now scan the QR code from your watch. And here it is. Now you can use WhatsApp chat using your Apple Watch. And there you have it. In this way, you can use WhatsApp on your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See ya.